Hey everybody, so in this video I am going to walk you through how to knock out this assignment for the children's story Pete and Pickles. And I know what you're thinking, why in the world are we reading a children's story? I kind of wonder that myself too, but hey, we got to knock this out. It's something we have to do, and I'm sure you guys are going to you're going to be great at it, no worries, but let me explain what it is you're expected to do here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read the entire story, which shouldn't take you more than a few minutes. So you're going to start here at slide 6, and you're going to work your way all the way through to slide 14. All right, the story is about a pig and an elephant who become best friends, and throughout their friendship, one changes the other for the better, maybe for the worse. Who knows? That's for you to decide. So the first thing you're going to do is read the short story. Then you're going to go to the slides that I have assigned for you, and I did have these posted in our presentation, but they're here for you to check out again. So you're going to go to the slides that I've assigned, and then with your group, which you'll be grouped up with in your own Google Meet, you're going to complete these steps. First thing you're going to do is you're going to add at least 3 sticky notes, the purple sticky notes, to each one of your slides, summarizing the events in that slide. All right, so all you're doing is you're just going to, in 3 sticky notes, in your own words, relate what's happening in the story. Okay, and then what your group is going to do is respond to the questions that I've posed in the 2 yellow sticky notes, and you're going to do that in CSRQ. So you'll simply erase the question, and then you will answer that question, but you have to restate it so that the reader knows what the heck you're talking about. All right, so slide 6 I've already done for you. So you notice I have 4 sticky notes, and if you want to add an extra sticky note to summarize what's happening in the slide, that's fine. But I've summarized in 4 sticky notes what's going on in the slide, and then over on the right-hand side, I've responded to 2 questions that were posed in CSRQ. All right, so if you come down here to slide 7, which is what group 1 is going to be working on, you notice there aren't any purple sticky notes here. So what you'll need to do to add those sticky notes, you go to slide 5, you click on the sticky I have here, you copy it, and then you paste it. All right, and you put it over here on the left-hand side, double click into it, and then you can type here. Okay, that's where you'll type out your summary. Each slide needs at least 3 of those purple stickies. Okay? And then, like I said, there are questions posed in the 2 yellow stickies on each slide. So what you'll do is you'll erase the question, you'll restate it in CSRQ, and then answer that question. So for example, this one here, the first one, says, what can we infer about the relationship between the elephant and the clown? So after you've read this slide, you would erase that, and then you'd restate the question, and your answer is something like, the relationship between the elephant and the clown seems blah, 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 right? So when I read your answer, it's clear to me what the question was in the first place, okay? So once again, each group, you have 2 slides apiece. You're going to add 3 purple stickies to summarize what's happening in these slides, and then you're going to respond to the 2 analysis questions on the yellow stickies, simply erasing what I have, restating the question in CSRQ, and then answering the question. Okay? So here are the instructions on slide 5. If you get lost, check those. If you're super duper lost, come see me in the help meet. Otherwise, you and your groups are free to go ahead and get started.